It's all about those black swan events, guys. In today's video, we're going to investigate further. Hello everyone, hope you guys are having an amazing day. XRP is around 62 cents, right? So things are looking quite well as of right now. In the short term, there could be a lot of volatility, right? But we have to look in the year of 2024, guys, right? Because there seems to be a lot of events that could be awaiting the world. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm back to uploading on my second channel, Cryptalks. I'll have it in the link down below so you guys can investigate further as well if you do wish to, because I just uploaded a new video there about XRP and the outlook for possibly 2024. First things first, from Whale Charts, the market is anticipating an increase in XRP's value due to Ripple focusing on the international cross-border payment market. Experts are projecting a 5,000% increase, which might cause the price to surpass $25. Wow. I mean, $25, guys, that would be a blessing, wouldn't it? This was a given, guys. If you look down in the comments below, everyone's saying, everyone's talking about the market cap, and they're saying it's not going to be happening. This person says, who isn't, I don't even think this person is in the XRP community because his name is Ethereum and Solana. He states, I can vouch for $10 in the next couple of months. Whoa, that's fascinating, right? Someone outside the community is perhaps saying $10 within the next few months. Maybe something to keep an eye out, guys. But now, guys, we're from part of XRP in the XRP community. Now, does this go? Wait, interesting. What do we see right here? Oh, and by the way, who are the experts that are projecting $25? Right, I have no clue. But Mr. Pool Delta today, 11:25. He posted all these things, guys. 2021 from years ago, right? Smiley faces, a roulette table, green, right? Stay safe, cobalt. If we check this out, though, this is a crazy decode perhaps, because from David Short's ready to go out. Look at the dates, guys. April 22nd, 2022. But wait, what if 422 right here, guys, right? April is 422 is really just 2024, ready to go out next year. Remember, 2024 is okay. So I'm actually getting super excited now because 2024 is what? 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8, guys. The number of Mr. Pool, Mr. Loop, right? A loop is a number 8. And 8 is what? An Ouroboros, right? Eating its own tail, which means destruction. 2024. Not to mention, 24, the year 2024 is X, right? As in XRP. Are you guys ready? I definitely am. April is December, though, right? VK always said it happens in 2023, year of rabbits, but he also says New Year's is on April 1st, right? A lot of interesting connections, guys. I hope you all had a happy Thanksgiving, as we see right here from David Schwartz, right? And then a stupid autocorrect, but wait a moment. David's not fooling anyone here because he could have easily edited this tweet, guys, right? And reposted at 11:57 or 12:11 to preserve the 113. Why didn't he just edit this, guys, right? Instead had to tweet it was autocorrect under this post. His timestamp is 11:48, right? That's 12:13. Interesting. Happy Thanksgiving. Or Thanksgiving, guys. Someone in the comments pointed out Thanksgiving right here, Family Guy, season 18, episode 8. Wait, what? Okay, a special Thanksgiving dinner for her family. Peter decides the best way to avoid it is to get arrested. A secret that Stewie has been keeping from everyone is revealed, guys. Whoa. Fascinating, huh? Is the truth about to come forth into light, guys? I have no clue. But here we go from Big Short. And this is where it all ties in together, guys. You guys ready? It's about to get pretty ballistic. I am. Please like today's video, guys. If you guys aren't subscribed as well, do it for the algorithm. But from Big Short, the curtains stir, harbingers of an imminent overture, as we see right here, or harbinger of an imminent overture, guys. Okay, the curtains stir. When did he post this? 13. Eventually, all things behind the curtain will spill out into the open, as in what's like truth, right? An international meeting behind the scenes will ultimately result in a world of dreams. XRP holders, load your bags. The time is near. Footsters a many, never fear. Wow. Right? When we talk about curtains and stuff like that, guys, people are talking about enjoy the show and whatnot, right? As we can see, the seats are there for the show, guys, from Archie. Now, but what's up with overture, right? This word, I have absolutely no idea how to play the violin, right? Now this tied in with the Titanic, if I'm not mistaken, guys, and the demise of it. What's really awfully weird about this whole Big Short account is this right here. He says to live a little, right? But how can we even live a little, guys, when we're all waiting for XRP to go up, right? But wait a moment. Live a little is obviously a double meaning to obviously live a little, right? As in this right here, guys. 11 double meaning. The Big Short. Live a little. Wait, what? This is the craziest connection, guys. So this ties into what? The demise of the economy, the collapse. We're 1,000% near, guys. Not financial advice, but listen to this. Let us listen to this.
Who the hell doesn't pay their mortgage? What exactly is the credit rating on this bond? This bond, gentlemen?
No. I haven't watched the Big Short, right? I'm pretty sure it's a movie, guys. But now I definitely will. Today or tomorrow. But definitely soon, guys. Why? Because of this right here. Listen.
It's AAA rated. This is exactly what the Michigan State Pension Fund has been looking for. I'll buy $20 million. Oh, come on, live a little. 25 million.
Right there. Live a little, guys. Come on. Oh, come on. Live a little. Right, and this was in the movie, The Big Short.
The money came raining down. And for the first time, the banker went from the country club to the street.
So, there we go, guys. Right? The name says it all. So buy or sell XRP. Think it's about a market collapse, right? I'm guessing it's imminent. And now people are talking about Europe, UBS, right? So there seems to be some type of black swan that is forming, guys, as we speak right now, right? But the reason why people can't see it is because it's being created, guys, right? And it's not in plain sight. It's not in view as of right now. Check this out from V. UBS will tie into 21, U is 21, B is 2, and S is 19. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 and 1 plus 9 is 10. You drop the 0, it's 1. 3, 2, and 1. Coincidence? Wow! That's ridiculous, guys. What is that? Right? Guys, that has to be the most craziest connection ever. Right? That UBS, this bank, ties in to the numbers 3, 2, and 1. And not to mention, this account came out with what? Look at this. The UBS building. Right? As we see right here, UBS. They weren't lying, guys. Something is forming right here, but I can't really pinpoint it. I'm guessing it ties in with UBS somehow, right? Certain banks, because there's liquidity issues or something forming, guys. I'm not quite sure. But how crazy would it be if UBS collapses during the key time frame, right? So key comes out. Oh my, guys. No way. Oh my, guys. Okay. This is crazy. Okay. So from October to December, we have key, right? The key time frame. November 22, November 22nd has begun, guys. We're in the key, right? We're at key right now. And it takes us to December 22nd. So there's a leeway, right? About, it could take place in the next few weeks. But wait, not now. There's another key as above, so below in May of 2022, right? Or May, not 2022, but May 22nd. Wait a minute. This is where it gets really creepy, so to speak, because I have a feeling perhaps the top of the markets will be in April, okay? And there needs to be some type of black swan that goes along with it to make it crumble and collapse. And look what it says right here, guys. A key, right? From April to May. And then from May to June, we see a key as well. And the keys will tie in with UBS. I don't know, guys, but that's mind-blowing. Now, so who bails out UBS when UBS is 3 times the size of Credit Suisse, guys? Also, why do they want a private lender? What are they trying to hide on the books by keeping it private? Credit Suisse total assets $550 billion. UBS total assets equals $1.6 trillion, guys, which is insanity. So check this out. Inside the meltdown, investigating the 2008 collapse of Bear Stearns and Lehman Brothers. You know what this? I'm going to leave this documentary in the comments below, guys, so you guys can investigate further. I'm in the description, guys, right? Because I'm not going to play the full video, but I stumbled upon this scene. Look what they say right here. Bear stock tumble, weighted by Moody's downgrades. Look at this. Listen. Rumors of liquidity problems. Bear Stearns says no truth to liquidity rumors. Uh-oh. And it was truth, guys. And what's happening right now? There are rumors of UBS being insolvent, right? Or having liquidity problems. The same thing happened back in the past before 2008 occurred. You know what's even crazier? UBS acquired Credit Suisse, if I'm not mistaken. And check this out.
Happens now is an easy task by any means, but it's something he's trying to rally the troops around. So you're looking at the CEO acknowledging to his employees that this is not looking to rise like a phoenix that's from the ashes. And so
looking to rise from the phoenix. Could Credit Suisse rise from the phoenix, from the ashes, guys, right? The calm before the storm. The initiators of the class action lawsuits of former Credit Suisse holders against UBS are waiting for the gross bank to respond, guys. A courtesy seems rather questionable. What's happening? Right? What's going on? There's more tons of connections, guys. We're going to save it for probably tomorrow's video, okay? Because something isn't adding up here. Or it is. Now, financial advice. Now, if fancy for today's video comes from Baba Cooks, crypto Twitter is a funny place. Right? There's a lot of shady things occurring, guys. A lot of people lose money, but everyone on Twitter is bragging about their victories when they don't show their losses, right? Buy, hold, wait, and win. Don't fall for the illusion, guys. Not financial advice, though. But anyways, that's all for you guys. Amazing. See ya.